guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a skincare routine for you guys. I used to film these a lot when I was younger, but I've found a couple more, skincare products better catered to like my skin type now as I have gotten older. I've always been really into skincare, been exposed to like Michelle Phan and all these bloggers since I was like 8. So I was really into like researching products and stuff like that. So before we get into it though, I just want to say that my skin is like combination. So, areas of my face are sometimes drier and like some other parts are a little bit more prone to kind of like getting a little bit oily. So putting that out there right now. I love this. So if you guys are also into skincare and want to, learn a little bit more about like my skincare routine and the products that I use day and night, then just keep on watching. In terms of cleanser, I have the Chanel LeBlanc Intense Brightening Foam Cleanser. I've talked about this a lot because it's a really good brightening cleanser in the morning. It smells really good. It doesn't leave your skin dry. It leaves your skin looking bright and just ready for more skincare products. So if you guys are interested in like a nice brightening cleanser, the Chanel one is really good. And plus, like one thing that I really love about this is just the scent. It smells so good. If you don't like scents, however, maybe this is not the best product for you, but if you do like something that smells like really good and like, this is just perfect. This is the Lancome Rehydrating Comforting Toner with acacia honey. Really great for dry skin. As you can see, it's a very thick toner, so it's really going to moisturize your skin. You don't need to use a cotton pad with this product at all. Basically just put it on your hands and pat it in your skin and it'll just soak it up right away. And so this is a really good one if you guys do prefer a thicker toner. This next one is from YesStyle. I'm actually doing a giveaway with them. I think by the time this video goes up, the giveaway is probably still happening. My last video, go enter it if you guys are interested in winning this, but it's basically just the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. This is also a pretty good one. It's also very moisturizing. Hyaluronic is gonna help with like anti-aging effects, so go enter my giveaway. This next one is also from YesStyle. It's from another like K-beauty brand. It's called Rovectin Clean. It's the Lotus Water Calming Toner. This is the type of toner that I like to use at night because it's like one of those cleansing toners. Basically, you use it with like a cotton pad, and I like to focus it on areas like my nose and my chin where I feel like, makeup residue can build up. So this is just really good for kind of like that second step cleansing. This is a Origins Original Skin Essence Lotion with Dual Ferment Complex. I like to use this after toner. I don't even think Sephora sells this anymore, but it's a really good essence and it just makes your skin feel super hydrated. I like to layer on a lot of thin products, so this is, a really great step after toner. So this is the Dior Capture Total Cell Energy Lotion Serum. This is also kind of like an essence product. Really great as well. Smells super good, and it's like another layer of hydration onto my skin. I love to layer like a lot of thin products onto my skin, as I just mentioned, and so this is just a great item. All right, next is serum. I'm just gonna go through all the ones that I have. My favorite serum ever. This is the Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. So good, guys. This is like the big one, I think. This is the 75 ml. You can dramatically see your skin become moisturized after using this product. I've also gone through countless of these as well. So good. The pump is also great because once you put it back in, the pump kind of soaks up the next usage amount, so you don't need to like control, how much you get out every time. You can never go wrong. I feel like in your early 20s or like mid 20s and like late 20s, this is like a really great hydrating serum. Another one is the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, but niacinamide kind of helps to brighten your skin. Similar to the Chanel cleanser that I talked about, it's just got ingredients that are designed to brighten, lighten your skin, make it look more glowy and radiant. So this is just a great product. It's also very price effective or cost effective. Then I have the Dior Capture Total Super Potent Serum. This is really great as well. Very hydrating. It's more of like a thicker serum, so I kind of like to use this product in the winter time because my skin is like the type where if I don't use enough moisturizing products, it just genuinely feels dry and like tight. So this is just super great at helping to moisturize and hydrate my skin. It's very thick. It's very like, it's a little bit heavy, but I like that, especially for, when my skin is feeling extra needing that hydration. So this just helps a lot. Another product from my giveaway that I'm doing, it ends the last day of July, but essentially this is the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Ampule. Basically kind of like a serum as well. As you guys can see, I've gone through like, half of it already. It's a really just great K-beauty serum, kind of really great for entry-level serum users, if you know what I mean. Like if you want your first bottle of serum, this is the way to go. Check it out, really like it. The bottle is also, you know, this nice kind of like matte vibes, so it just does the job, guys. This is like one of my newer products into my routine that I've like integrated. This is the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. I like to use this product on like my chin because whenever I do break out, I always break out on my chin and there is like scarring and like dark spots after it. I wanted to try out a couple of products to kind of lighten it a little bit. I love Kiehl's products, they just always do the job and I feel like they're great for all skin types. All right guys, eye cream is next. This is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. This is just a very nice thick eye cream. If you guys don't really like, you know, thick eye creams, kind of steer away from this, but it's very hydrating. I smile a lot, like I'm not really good with like 表情管理, like I just, you know, so that means I must protect my eye area and also my smile lines, guys. If you guys also are looking for like an eye cream to kind of target those like 细纹, you know, Kiehl's Avocado Eye Treatment, you just can't go wrong, guys. Honestly, been through so many of these. Then this is one that I started using this year just because I feel like I need something at night to kind of really help with like the eye area, like treating the eye area. But yeah, this is essentially the Lancome Advanced Genifique Eye Cream. It's like the same line as the serum that I have previously mentioned. Like my eyes feel super nourished after using this product. A little goes a long way. You know, as I've gotten older, I just feel like products like this are better designed for like areas like your eyes where it's, you know, more easy to get wrinkles. You know, I'm not 18 anymore, so just really gotta protect that eye area. Lastly, this is also from the Dior Capture Total line. It's the eye cream. It's like this little size. Still testing it out and it's like pretty good. Very hydrating as well. I feel like this is good for like the daytime. It's a little bit lighter. Moisturizer category, I actually only have one. Been using it for like a year. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense 72-hour lipid replenishing hydrator. I've tried out their regular one. I just don't think it's moisturizing enough for my skin. This one is so good. Like it just makes your skin look super hydrated and just glowy after you put it on. Guys, try this out if you know, you need like a really, really good moisturizer. I have the Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask as well, just like a sleeping mask. I don't use this often, but you know, in the winter time when I feel like I need that extra boost of moisture, this is really good, and it just keeps like all the products you have used previously on your skin just locked in with moisture all night long. Sun care is also super important, guys. This is like probably the last step of my skincare routine in the morning. I love this one. This is the Anessa Whitening UV Sunscreen Gel with SPF 50+, PA+++++. This one just feels so good. It's not sticky. Again, it just feels like a gel, but I've also tried the Supergoop one. I'm currently using it right now. Not my favorite, honestly. I'm just gonna try to finish the one that I have. Like it just feels like a primer, and I like to put on a lot of sunscreen on my face and my neck, so it just is a bit much sometimes. Feels like silicone-y, but again, if you do like that primer feel, the Supergoop one would be perfect for you. But I really, really like this one. Been using it honestly for so long and will definitely be continually repurchasing this item. Some cleansing masks that I like to use. I've been using this for years and years and years, probably almost a decade, guys. But essentially this is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. But whenever I do cleansing masks, I like to focus it on my chin and my nose, because my nose and my chin, again, I just feel like there's like buildup there. So I like to do just additional cleansing steps twice a week or something, just like sheet masks. You can do these cleansing masks. I'm obsessed with doing sheet masks, guys. Like I do sheet masks so often, probably like 5 times out of the 7 days of a week. I just love it. It's kind of like self-care, you know what I mean? It's just a great pampering step as like the last step of the day before getting in bed. I love it, you know, especially being a corporate woman now, a working woman. I forgot to mention that I've graduated from uni and I'm working now. I feel like just doing a mask at night makes me so happy. So I have a lot. If you guys want like a mask recommendation video or something, I can do that. Just a couple more like miscellaneous products. I've got some sprays. This is just moisture sprays I like to use during the day. I've got the Clinique Moisture Surge Facial Spray. This one's just really good. I like to throw it in my bag because it's like a plastic kind of container. It's not like the Caudalie ones where it's glass. Caudalie one, this is the pink one. Almost done it. I have the bigger like normal or their classic spray downstairs in my bathroom. I love to use it during the day, especially when I get a little bit tired, need that boost, need that pick me up, spray it on and it feels so good. Just make sure that when you're spraying it, you do close your eyes because guys, let me tell you, when you get a little bit of this in your eyes, it stings so bad. So just close your eyes. I don't know how to pronounce this brand in English, but it's 香缇卡, I'm pretty sure. 就是香缇卡的这个玫瑰喷雾. Very, very, very good. Very moisturizing. I love this product. I love the smell of roses now. I have the rose mist right there, but I've been loving roses, guys. And this is a really great one. It smells good, moisturizes your skin, wakes me up. I'm obsessed. So it's just the kind of smaller version, but I love it. I love it so much. Lastly, the product that I'm actually wearing on my lips right now is like a lip essence or like a lip balm from One Thing Moisturizing Lip Essence. Got this from YesStyle as well, so thank you so much. Just a really great lip balm. It kind of is a little bit more like thin and liquidy. Kind of looks like a lip gloss, which I really like because you're killing two birds with one stone. It's glossy, it's also moisturizing, so I love that. Make sure to hydrate your lips before you sleep at night or during the day. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end of my skincare routine. I love talking about everything. I'm literally out of breath right now. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts, linked down below in the description box. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.